friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox a headset of Reconnect Metal Heads Series 100. So let us unbox. This is the box. And this is the headset. It has Bluetooth version 5. Then it has a built-in mic. It is sweat resistant. And it has on-ear function controls. And it is compatible with Siri, Google Assistant and Alexa. And its charging time is 2 hours. And it can be used for 8 hours. So this is the headphone. It has the design of Captain America. And on the other side there are the controls. This is the on and off button. And it is also for answering the calls. This is for volume up and next song. And this is for the previous song and volume down. Here there is an aux port. From here we can charge it, and the built-in mic is present here, and this is a LED. This is the warranty card. This is the aux cable, and this is the charging cable. And this is the manual for this headset. We can connect this aux cable here. Now we will start this headphone. As you can see here, the LED is blinking. This headset can be folded from here. You can keep it like this for carrying. And you can also extend it. And at the price of 299 rupees, I think it is a good headphone. And its bass is also good. So if you want to purchase it, you can purchase it from Reliance Digital. I have also purchased from there. So this is about the unboxing of Reconnect headset. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.